today with me I have my lovely husband Ashrit Talwar. So हम लोग जा रहे हैं हिमाचल guys, and there's a place called THEOG which is 1 hour drive from Shimla. 1 hour? Okay, so it's 1 hour drive from Shimla, and we left at 6 o'clock in the morning and it's already 10:40. We stopped at Moot Hill, which is our favorite place for breakfast, so we had parathas there. We are hoping कि शाम के 5 बजे तक I think we should be able to reach THEOG. So very excited to see our lovely place where we'll be staying. We are staying at a cottage, and I'll share all the details, so keep watching the video. And yay, and Ashrit is driving. He loves driving, guys. He loves his car. Two things that he loves are cars and food. And also guys, Ashrit and I are traveling together, I think after almost more than 2 years. So very excited about this trip. Three more hours before we reach, and Ashrit is entertaining me by singing lovely songs. So Ashrit is a very good singer, and you are. Please sing something for my subscribers.
सर्दी की रातों में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में, हम दोनों तन्हा हो, ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन, मैं प्यासा हूँ, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों।
So these are called Duffy cottages, and it's a beautiful property from inside, but right now I'm just going to show you the view from here. Look at this, how stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Let's go inside. Let's check out the cottage. So this is the bedroom. There's a nice place to sit here. Got a beautiful view, and also there's a place upstairs. I'll try if I can go upstairs holding the camera. Cute little place to sit. And this side we have a balcony, and it's really foggy. It's almost 6:30 in the evening, and that's Ashrit waiting for his cup of tea. Hi guys, good morning. Well, it's day 2 and we just finished our breakfast, and it's a nice bright sunny day. So अब हमारा plan है that we'll just go for a trek and enjoy the beautiful view, and उसके बाद, yeah, let's see, we might go out somewhere for lunch. We might go to THEOG or some other place. So we've not yet decided. अभी तो we are too full after eating the breakfast. So yeah guys. Our trek has started. And weather बहुत ही अच्छा है. 20 degrees, not that hot, not that cold. I think it's just perfect. There's थोड़ी सी sunlight harsh है, and the path looks amazing. It looks beautiful. In fact, this side, if you see, there are apple orchards, and ये लोग fresh apple तोड़ के ले जा रहे थे. I'm going to put that clip also. Everything looks so beautiful. I'm really happy to be here. हम लोग ट्रैक पे थे and then we saw this van full of apples. और ये कालू राम भैया है, ये हमें एप्पल दे रहे. थैंक यू कालू राम भैया, थैंक यू. एक बस एक लूंगी मैं. नहीं भैया, बस एक काफी है. थैंक यू. So we are back after the trek और हमने almost 2 घंटे ट्रैक करा. It was absolutely stunning, very quiet, very peaceful. मतलब honestly अभी मेरा बात करने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा, इतना quiet और इतना peaceful था. Back to our cottage. That's our cottage, सबसे ऊपर वाला. And yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and then we'll. So guys, after the lovely trek, I've come to THEOG for lunch, and I must tell you, it was an amazing experience. Great food, great service, lovely hospitality, and check out the view. Alright guys, so that's it for day 2. Really enjoyed my day at Taj. The lunch was amazing, as I mentioned earlier. So tomorrow we guys will be going to Shimla, and काफी अच्छी property है वहाँ पे भी एक. So keep watching the video to see what do we do. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 3 and we've come for breakfast. This is the dining hall that's there. Itni cozy vibes है यहाँ पे. I just love the interior of this place. Oh, the wooden feel and everything. It's really cozy. So yes, यहाँ पे हम breakfast कर रहे हैं. And let's look around and see the view. Excuse my swollen face. मैं बहुत late सोई थी actually कल. So yes, so आज का plan है वही. We'll have breakfast, then we'll go for the trek again, and then we'll be going to Shimla today. So I'll keep you guys posted to where exactly we are going in Shimla. Alright guys, हम हो गए हैं ready and we have left for Mashobra, Shimla. So we are going to Wildflower Hall, and बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी है, ओबरॉय की है. सो हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. प्लान इज टू हैव लंच देयर, एंड वहाँ पे दे हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल पाथ टू वॉक. आई विल शो यू गाइज इन द वीडियो दैट ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेल. एंड या, Ashrit is right here driving. Guys, हम Wildflower Hall पहुँच गए हैं, and this is the entrance of the hotel. So we've come for an evening walk. So a lovely walk after our heavy lunch. And also next to our table, Shahid Kapoor and Meera Kapoor were dining. And I didn't take pictures with them because it's, you know, it's their private time. I think it's really, I mean, I don't find it appropriate to, you know, go up to a celebrity and ask for a picture, because it's their time. Yeah, they're enjoying their holiday, they are dining together, so I don't want to do that. But yeah, before leaving I went and I told Shahid Kapoor that I love his work, which I actually do, and I didn't want to disturb him, so didn't take any pictures. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep the phone now. I'm too tired. I'm walking uphill now. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, time to say goodbye to this beautiful property. It's 8:45 a.m. and we are leaving for Delhi. We'll take around 10 hours. GPS is showing 10 hours 10 minutes. I had so much fun on this trip. Really enjoyed my stay here. Enjoyed the beautiful view. I don't think so ऐसा view आपको कहीं और मिलेगा. And it's very close to Taj THEOG also, so you get the same view what you get from Taj. And people are really nice. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried covering whatever part I could from the trip, but yes, I also wanted a little break from the phone, so I kept my phone aside but tried to capture a few things for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.